Did you know about our new Crosswind V Heat Pump pool heater? We know installations and maintenance can often be a headache for servicers and installers, so we've made every effort to ensure that the Crosswind V is easy to set up, service, and Raymote connected for on-the-go pool heater control and monitoring. Our simple yet mighty Crosswind V is compact and lightweight to make installations a breeze. Not to mention, it fits perfectly on standard equipment pads and features industry-standard 2-inch water connections for your convenience. We've taken care of your maintenance needs too. The front panel of the Crosswind V allows easy access to all servicing points. It ensures quick and hassle-free maintenance whenever required. Your pool life shouldn't be complicated. That's why we at Raypak focus on pool and spa heaters that are designed for long life and low stress, so you can enjoy a perfectly heated, perfectly relaxing pool experience year-round. Choose Crosswind V, the perfect blend of advanced controls, ease of installation, and best-in-class serviceability.